Hello everybody, this is Mr. Conductor from Shining Time Station, and right now it was the final day of February. Tomorrow will be the first day of March. The snow is finally melting and the train is about to arrive, it's about to pass at Anderson Street Station. The New Jersey Transit's 2110 to Hoboken Terminal. Here comes another PL42AC, the New Jersey's only Alstom Primal diesel locomotive. Wow, look at this train, it looks so fast! Really faster! Woo! Yeah. Well, unfortunately, it's about to rain, so you must take the umbrella and stay safe in the rain. So I hope you guys enjoy. So see you next time. Cheerio.